Cold calls are the way to grow a business. Cold calls aren't dead. Cold calling is the way to grow a business. I learned that from my buddy Joe Peachy. Let's clear the chaos of client attraction as we count down number 68 of 100 marketing ideas you can start using to grow your business rapidly. And today we're talking about cold calling. I know you're afraid to do it, but I'm gonna make it nice and easy for you. What if you only had to make one cold call? Do you think you could get up the guts to do it? If you have a list of prospects that have phone numbers, you could get those phone numbers from LinkedIn, you could buy a list, you could assemble a list from people who subscribe to things on your website. No matter how you get it, if you've got the phone numbers, a cold call can turn into money and people to serve inside of your business. But people don't want to sit and cold call for hours and hours. Well, my buddy Joe does, but you might not. So what if we made it nice and easy for you and we said just make one cold call a day and make it the very first thing you do in the day so that you don't put it off. You sit down at your desk, you pick up your phone, you go to the next number on the list, you call, and you just introduce yourself. If you only had to do one, would you do it? Imagine if you did one a day just on the work days of the month. That's 20 cold calls a month. If I told you to make 20 cold calls right now, you'd probably laugh at me and you'd probably head for the hills. But if you could get 20 of them done in a month, even if you converted at a very low conversion rate, even 10%, that could be 2 new clients for you. So what I want you to do, start every day making one cold call. Call a prospect. Check in with someone who you know wants your service because you've gotten their phone number and see if you can be of service to them. The next video in this series is right here. The rest of the series can be found up here, and if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts every time I create a new video like this.